Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your settings app is not working, then watch this video for the solution. So if the settings is not opening from the search bar, then we can use the shortcut key for settings, that is the Windows and the I button together, and it should open. But if also this is not opening right now, then what we need to do is we need to run the SFC scan. For that we will use the command prompt, and here we can run as administrator. Now in the elevated command prompt, we will enter the command sfc space slash scannow and press enter. Once the scan finishes running, or while the scan is running also, you can restart the uh, service. So connected user experience service, and for that we need to search for connected user experience service and right click on it and click on refresh or restart. So click on restart, and then we have to restart the computer itself, the system itself, in the clean boot configuration. For that we will look for system configuration and click on the services tab, and please do this after your scan now uh, scan is completed, folks. So the most important thing while uh, restarting in the clean boot is to make sure that you hide all Microsoft services by checking this box here, and then you need to check all the unwanted third-party services like Mozilla, McAfee, Wiseboot, Google Updater, which are not required for running the system running the system at start. Disable all of them, click on apply, click on OK, and then click on restart, and you should be able to open the settings app again by right clicking on the start button and going to settings. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.